Hi everybody, and welcome back to the painting channel. This is just a little play around, really, more than anything else, and a little chat. I didn't have a lot of time this week to do a proper full painting video either for YouTube or for my Patreon channel, and I felt that I didn't want to disappoint either. I've been religiously doing a video every Friday of every week since July of last year, or the beginning of July last year, and I didn't want to stop that. And although I will say what I've been up to, but I haven't had a lot of time this week just to do a full-on video either for YouTube or for the Patreon page. But I just wanted to sit down for a few minutes and pick up the brush and a bit of watercolor and just create people, figures. And it's something that we all need to practice. In fact, I get a lot of people ask me about how I do it and how it's done, and do I use photos or do I just merely suggest. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just having a little play around, and the first a nice little arm round his girlfriend's or wife's waist, and I take it I'm putting a little child in now, so I guess it's his partner or his wife, and there's a small child involved as well. But it's just having fun. Now, what have I been up to? Well, I've been reshaping things. If you are across the pond in America, it's remodeling, I think, is the term you use. But I've been reshaping and redeveloping my gallery in Hythe, and I've been taking parts away and creating new storage opportunities. And the reason for that is that the area out the back of my gallery, which has been a glory hole for far too long, it's been a way of storing stuff and forgetting about it a little bit. I needed it desperately to become fully operational. And part of my life as an artist is obviously painting pictures and also filming them now for you guys to watch on YouTube and on Patreon. But in addition to that, I also have another channel whereby I do a lot of railway modeling, and that too has got to be administered to, and it has a following. And there's a thing there where I love to do dioramas, which are models scenery. I suppose in a way it's still art in many respects, because I'm creating three-dimensional art. It could even be considered a bit of a sculpture. I have no idea. But I just wanted to create a space that was specific for me to be able to not only do that in a bit of a nice area and a nice setting, but also to be able to have the room to film it. And so that's really why I have been very, very busy this week. And also, one of my annual privileges is doing a lovely workshop to the local art society in Hythe. And I did that yesterday afternoon to over 70 people that come along to watch me talk about painting. And I did a little oil painting of a skyscape and a little bit of land, and they thoroughly enjoyed that. So the preparation for that really did take an awful long time as well. These things are never done in 5 minutes, and you have to spare all that time not only getting ready for it, but you've got to do it, of course, and then you've got to come back and pack it all away. So that's partly why there's been very little time this week to sit down with an idea in mind and create either an oil painting or a watercolor, or even think about doing a pastel or sketches. All of those things are on the cards for the future from the channel. I'm quite happy to paint in oils, watercolors, acrylics, pastels, pencils, charcoals, you name it. I'm more than happy to do it. And I've been quite happy to do that for all my students over the years, so I want to extend that on as we go into a YouTube channel. So I'm just creating figures, and I hope that that's okay. And I have had a lot of responses from the last video I did, which was totally unscripted, and it didn't have a complete sort of core to it. It was just very much like this, and I just played around with the paint but talked about it. And on this one, I'm just thinking people, I'm imagining them in my head, all sizes. These aren't children, these are just smaller figures somewhere else on the panel. And the colors, it makes no difference. I'm tapping my brush into various different colors just to create some form of differential between one figure and the next. Maybe a yellow skirt or a blue top or a red top, it matters not. That it's the nice thing about painting people or man-made things, i.e. clothes on people, is the fact that you have the ability to create so many more colourful statements with the paint. And sometimes we forget that when we're painting landscapes and stuff, that we can create colour, but often or not we stay quite safely within certain elements of greys and warm and cools and tonal factors, when of course when you paint a nice red shirt on somebody or a blue dress, green dress, whatever it might be, it doesn't matter. Those colors can then be so vivid if you wish them to be. So again, I'm just painting people, shapes, figures. This often happens when you're doing a little watercolor landscape somewhere, that you can just add a figure in. And if this little bit of practice on a spare bit of paper, and this is just a rubbishy bit of paper, in fact if I turned it over I think there's an old painting that didn't quite make the grade on the other side, so I don't chuck those away. They are really useful to keep a hold of, and for this purpose, when you've got 5 minutes, as I had one evening, I'd done all the little bits of jobs I needed to do, and I felt that I knew I wouldn't have a lot of time to paint this week, so I didn't want to let it down, so I just sat down and spent 10 or 15 minutes just playing around. Actually it ended up at 22 minutes, but who's counting? I have speeded this up a little bit, not that you notice too much. It's actually about 1.5 times, so very little speed up, but it just made it that it was I didn't want to make it too much of an obvious time lapse, but I didn't want it to run 22 minutes either. I actually put a little question out for people on my last week's video to let me know really and truly whether they like long ones or short ones for YouTube, and I think the overriding thing is that people do quite like shorter time-lapse videos, because you're all very, very busy people, and unless you sit down with the sole purpose of looking all the way through a long process of painting a video, painting a picture on a video, then you don't have an awful lot of time. So something that creates the essence of what I'm trying to describe to you or teach you will of course can be done a lot shorter, and in doing so you get the ability to enjoy it, but you're not actually taking all your time up. So that's really what I decided to do, is to make shorter ones, I think, on YouTube, and keep my longer more narrated ones, as it were, fully narrated ones, should I say, for Patreon. So that's the idea, but once in a while I'm just going to throw you all a curveball, and I'm going to throw in a full length video, and if you don't like it or you don't have the time, you can always turn it off, or you can always watch it in 2 or 3 sessions. I don't know, but it's sometimes not everybody can or wants to be a patron, and so therefore I also feel that for those of you who can't or don't wish to be a patron for whatever the reasons, and that's fine, but it would be just nice to give you a full-length video to enjoy once in a while as well. So yeah, in the meantime I'm still playing around with figures on this piece of paper, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. But we're coming to the end of the session, and I've just rambled on a little bit, and that's all I ever intended to do on this one. And next week's video will be a lot more concise. It will be a time lapse. I have no idea what I'm going to paint for you. I just enjoy it. I might even do something completely different, but you know, I am, in many ways I'm an oil painter by right, and I came to watercolours quite late on, I suppose. But I enjoy both these mediums. But I enjoy all mediums. I mean, I'm crazy. I just want to create and make art. I don't really worry too much whether it's an oil or watercolour, pastels, pencils, charcoals, acrylics. I don't really care. At the end of the day, I want to create a piece of work that I'm proud of, and that I can either sell. Well, hopefully that's my business. So, yeah, I'm creating art to sell, and hopefully what I do is liked by people enough that they want to invest in me and my work and the time that I put into it, and enjoy that work on their walls moving forward. Doesn't always work, but sometimes it does, and when it does, it's absolutely a great buzz and a great feeling. And many of you who do paint and do sell your work will always know that that feeling of selling a piece of work to a client, especially a new client that's come along and really got taken with your work and just wants to be a part of that. So to that end, I will be doing something that I can sell next week, and something that you'll enjoy and watch me paint. In the meantime, I hope you've got something a little bit special from this little session and painting figures. It's not magic, it's not an amazing piece, it's just me just playing around, but at least you're seeing what I'm doing with the brush. I use the same brush, I use the tip, I use the broader marks by pressing down on it. The colors that I've used, as I said earlier, are pretty irrelevant. That's why I didn't show the palette in this video, but I just wanted to have a little play and let you see. So yeah, I am running out of things to say, people, but I have had a little bit of fun with this, and I hope you'll indulge me a little bit and forgive me for not doing a full painting. And I hope that next week you'll have time to sit and watch whatever I put out, and you'll enjoy that. And always remember that, you know, if you are watching this and you do like the work that I create, then if you're not a subscriber, would you please consider subscribing to the channel? I've got to say that there are a growing number of subscribers, and I'm so happy to say thank you to all of you who are. But if you're not, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. It does help the channel grow. And if you do like the video, put a like on it. Click that thumbs up. Click the bell icon. And all of it will be great for me moving forward and help the channel build. It's still a young channel, and I just want to get so many more people out there seeing it around the world. I'm teaching 30 people a week in my gallery, and I really enjoy that, and I won't stop doing that. Most of them have become very firm friends over the years, but I do want to get and reach so many more of you out there that can learn to paint from what I do. And over my well, I've been professional painter for over 35 years, and that's all I've done. I'm totally unemployable by anybody else, and I can barely tolerate myself sometimes, but often thought of sacking myself a few times, but I then thought, who's going to earn the money? I'm being silly. But yeah, you know, it's a great way of making a living, and thoroughly enjoyable, and I cannot think of a better way of doing things. But as I said, I will give you a lot more next week, and in the meantime, take a bit of spare paper, have a play with this, see how it goes, and yeah, just a little bit of practice. In the meantime, I will say cheerio, and before I keep rambling on and repeating myself too many times, I catch each and every one of you next week. So all the very, very best. Happy painting. Give this a go. Play around. Use the scraps up and learn from it. All the best. Bye-bye.